Welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. This is a hot surface igniter. It's most commonly used for electric ignition. It works like a light bulb filament, heating up when electricity passes through, and then when the gas valve opens up, it ignites. Most are made from silicon nitride or silicon carbide. Here it is. I'm going to show you how to test it. Bear with me 1 second. So here we have our readings, 105.5. You have to check from the manufacturer what it should be, but you just check the two wires on resistance. I've got 105.5, but you can check with the manufacturer what it should be. I don't think it's labelled on here, but you can check with the manufacturers. Alright, thank you. Until next time. Bye bye bye.